Hello everyone, I am Deepak, and today in this video we're going to create this awesome website. In this workshop I'll follow you through step-by-step process of how you can create this website for yourself. The whole code of this workshop will be available on the GitHub. Okay, it is open source, you can download it and follow along. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. This is the GitHub repo that is available. So first of all, what we're going to do is clone into this repo. So I'm going to copy this URL and then go inside my terminal. I'll create a new folder, or you can just choose any folder where you keep your Flutter projects. I'm going to create a new folder for this project. So I've created a folder called portfolio underscore. I'll go inside that folder, and now what I have to write is git clone and paste this URL. So I'm hoping for this this tutorial that you have the GitHub installed inside your MacBook or your Windows computer, so that cloning is an easy process for you. Okay, after we have done cloning, I'll just do one thing. I'll check what other. I'll just go inside this. I'll go inside this folder and then open VS Code over here. What you can do instead of this is you can open it manually as well, right? But this is an easy way, cool way. So yeah, here we have the project. What we need to do is run flutter pub-get first. Let's open the terminal and write here flutter pub-get. Okay, so once that is done, now we need to do one thing. Right now we're in the main branch, which contains the final version of the website, but that is not what we want. We need to switch. We'll write git checkout step underscore 01. This is the branch that you need to switch to in order to like follow along the tutorial. Okay, so once I have done that, let's see what else is going on, and then I'll again once run flutter pub-get. Okay, so this is the project that we have. Let's first quickly go into the pubspec.yaml file. So as you can see, we have a single package over here, which is device underscore frame. Let's just do one thing. We'll go on pub.dev and see what this package actually does. So as you can see, the description of it says device mockup for common devices. So what this widget basically does is, as you can see over here, we can simply wrap any of the widgets in device frame, and it will give us this phone layout, and inside that we have a widget option that is called screen, and inside this we can create our applications. Basically, that this package is the main core of the website. Okay, so I'll just go inside my main.dat. It is fairly simple. We just have a main function and we are returning a portfolio stateless widget inside the home page. This is where things get a little bit happening. So inside the home page.dat, we have implemented a device frame. Okay, and inside that we have just written hello world. Let's just quickly run and see what is going on. Let's select Chrome from here, and because I'm assuming that most of the people might have Windows, so running on Mac OS won't be an option. You can optionally run on your Windows as well, or you can run on Chrome. Chrome is my preference because we are building a website, so I'll just launch it on Chrome. So yeah, as you can see, the website here is built. Okay, so we are getting the phone screen in the center, and inside the phone screen we have the hello world text written. Okay, so this is a good starting point for a project. From here on we'll build up till step 2, step 3, and eventually move on to step 8 of the process. All right. Okay, so I want you all to get comfortable with the packages that we're going to use. We'll use provider for state management, device frame as the main package we're going to use, a lot of other packages as well. What you can do is go into the GitHub repo and check out all the packages that we're using in the main branch or the step underscore 8 branch, and come back later and then we'll start this journey together. All right, till now the code is fairly simple. We just have this single widget, right? We just have the single main widget, that is device frame, and we're using a mockup of iPhone 13. All right, and inside the widget, inside the device mockup, we are just writing hello world, which is a pretty standard thing. Okay, all right, so congratulations, you're just on to your first step towards making this website. All right, I'll see you in the next video.